Hello friends, welcome to your YouTube channel Universe of Radiology. In this video, we will proceed with the further questions of NCL exam paper. So the question is, tocolytic drugs are such drugs which option A increases GI motility, option B increases uterine motility, option C reduces uterine motility, option D is reduces GI motility. The answer of this question is reduces uterine motility. Next question is, putting a bitter substance on the nails of kids who used to bite it is an example of which of the following therapy? Option A flooding therapy, option B aversion, option C hypnosis, option D is systematic desensitization. The answer of this question is option B aversion. Next question is, spirit should not be applied at the place where the vaccine has to be injected because option A it may cause harmful reaction, option B it may produce necrosis, option C it may damage live organism available in the vaccine, option D is it's a practice without having any specific reason. The answer of this question is option C. It may damage live organism available in the vaccine. Next question is, which of the following vitamin is most sensitive to the effect of heat? Option A vitamin A, option B vitamin C, option C vitamin K, option D vitamin D. The answer of this question is vitamin C. Next question is, the alarming value of GCS Glasgow Coma Scale requiring ICU admission is option A 15, option B 13, option C 12, option D is 8. The answer of this question is 8. GCS value will be 8. Airway maneuver to open airway recommended in trauma patient is option A head tilt, option B chin lift, option C is jaw thrust, and option D is B and C, that is chin lift and jaw thrust. The answer of this question is option D, that is option B and C is the right answer. Next question, which observation in the newborn of a diabetic mother would require immediate nursing intervention? Option A crying, option B wakefulness, option C jittering movement, option D is yawning. The answer of this question is jittering movement. Next question is, patient is admitted to the labor and delivery unit in active labor. During examination, the nurse notes a papular lesion on the perineum. Which initial action is most appropriate? Option A document the finding, option B report the finding to the doctor, option C prepare the client for the C-section, that is cesarean section, and option D is continue primary care as prescribed. The answer of this question is B. Answer option B, that is report the finding to the doctor. Next question is, the patient is admitted for treatment of migraine headache. The drug sumatriptan succinate is prescribed for the patient. Which of the following in the patient's history should be reported to the doctor? That is option A is diabetes, option B is angina, option C is cancer, and option D is cluster headache. The answer of this question is angina. Next question is, the head circumference of a normal infant is option A 22 to 28 centimeter, option B is 28 to 33 centimeter, option C is 30 to 35 centimeter, option D is 25 to 39 centimeter. The answer of this question is option C 33 to 35 centimeter. Next question is, what is the normal pulse rate per minute of an infant? Option A is 72 to 88, option B is 88 to 120, option C is 120 to 160, and option D is 160 to 200. The answer of this question is 120 to 160, that is option C. Next, it is a case that is a 25-year-old male comes to the emergency department in comatose condition. His breathing is labored and pulse rate is 126 beat per minute. BP is 82 by 44 mm of Hg and his pupil is unequal. So the question is, what will you do first? Option A, airway management. Option B, IV line. Option C, send investigation. Option D is injection midazolam. The answer of this question is, firstly we will do airway management, that is option A. Next question is, in above patient, IV fluid of immediate choice will be. According to that case, you have to answer in the patient what we will do for the IV fluid. First option is RL, second is DNS, option C is anus, and option D is blood. The answer of this question is option C, that is anus, that is normal saline. Next question is, after some time above patient develop cardiac arrest, what is the best place to check pulse? So according to the GAT case, the patient have the cardiac arrest. Then options are radial artery, option B is popliteal artery, option C is internal carotid artery, and option D is antecubital artery. So what is the best place to check the pulse according to this question is answer C, that is internal carotid artery. Next question, at what rate chest will be compressed and what will be the rate of ventilation in same patient? Options are A 5:1, option B 15:2, option C is 30:1, and option D is 13:2. The answer of this question is 30:2. Thank you all and have a nice day.